What's up, guys? um just want to show you guys like what stuff I bring to work. As you guys know, I'm a filmmaker by trade, or this is my main source of income. My channel is not only a Muay Thai channel slash reselling channel, but I want to also show you guys like what I do on the side, and or what I do as a filmmaker. So what I got here is my set for today. We're going to be filming at a penthouse, and we're going to be filming outside at a festival, which is the Rice Festival in Ward. So I'm bringing my gimbal. I bring my gimbal more for like run and gun stuff. My camera does have in-body stabilization, but I want that smooth shots. Got my GH5 with the 1240 lens. This is a 2.8 aperture. We got the Rode mic for external sound, and my Sigma 18 to 35, my ND filters, just in case it gets too bright and I can't control the brightness with my camera settings. Got my monitor. I'm not too sure if I'm going to use it, but I just bring it just in case. Got my screwdrivers and all that. I do need probably need to invest in like a bag for the tools. And here I got me my cards for the white diamond card. Of course, you need this right here, which is a cloth for wiping your lens. Little arm for like the screens or monitors, adjustable arm on my batteries. I'm also bringing my Sennheiser lav mic for sound. Lastly, I got lights just in case. I only bring one, and we got this right here. Of course, we got the brush just in case there's dust. I'm gonna be heading out in 30 minutes. Luckily, my work is close to my area, and I think I'm gonna be bringing my iPad, just in case I need to check up on some footage. Once in a while, you'll get those footage that are super shaky and you don't even know it. So, or you're out of focus. Since this now has like memory card capability of reading like SSD and memory cards and stuff, and I can actually store stuff on this, it's great. So I'm gonna bring this. This is the main reason why I bought this in the first place anyways. I just hope it don't get lost, because this is $1,500 if you buy it brand new. This is the 512 third gen iPad Pro. I'm gonna be bringing this.